Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do tit 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 tit. Alright guys, so you guys might be wondering why am I having chair this time, because as you guys have seen in the title, we're gonna learn boom boom ha. I'm gonna be teaching even this step, and moreover we're gonna be trying it on the slow music so that you'll be understanding the rhythm and the music too. So yeah, make sure that you're sticking around till the end, and now let's see how I'm doing with the music. Alright guys, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Abrar back at it again with another video with a chair. I'm not used to sit and talk, but yeah, overall we have to do it today. So what you gotta do, super easy thing, bear me guys, because my chair makes little weird sounds like. Alright, just ignore those. So what you gotta do, basically you have to keep your right onto your heel. Let me just move a little more back. Yeah, so basically we'll be kicking our right on our heel, left goes on our toe back, alright, at the same time. So we are here, one, then we're gonna keep our left forward, right goes back, same thing, right? So it's like 1, 2. And one more thing guys, you have to sit only this much, alright, only this much. We're not gonna go like fully comfortable like this, no, we're just gonna sit it in that way so that you'll be able to move your legs smoothly. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, we were here, let me just go back, please don't make noise. So it goes like one, heel toe together. Cool. As soon as you keep together, you have to do the happy feet. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to do that? Let's quickly understand. So basically, while sitting, it will be easier for you because you will be able to balance your body. So what you gotta do? We're gonna keep our left onto our toe, right will be onto our heel. Heel goes like this out, right leg will be going out like this, left will be coming inside like this at the same time. So we are here, keep it down, relax, take it up, toe and heel, 1. Then come back, change, now right goes on toe, left goes on heel, throw it, come back, change again, 1, 2. This time we're gonna do it 2 times to our right. So it goes like we did 1, 2, 3. 1, come back, change, 2, come back, change, 3, come back, 4, come back. That's all. Alright, so you're gonna do the happy feet. I hope that you got it. Now let's quickly try to sing the song. I'll be just singing the song, like not proper song, I'll be just singing the rhythm, and let's try it slowly, then we'll be trying it on the slow music. So we have to catch why you so tin tin tin. So it goes like tin tin tin, then keep in like a mo. On that we'll be just doing it this one. Alright, so basically we're catching music, and then we're gonna go like lyrics. Alright, making sense? One more time. So we go, why you so tin tin tin, keep it like more. Alright, I hope that you are able to understand it till here. Let's quickly try it on the slow music, and then we'll be going forward with this step. Alright, let's do it, come on. 1, awesome guys, I hope that you guys are able to do it on the slow music. Now let's quickly go forward. Now the lyrics will say, just keeping like obsessed with me, something kind of that. I'm sorry if I'm singing the lyrics wrong, but yeah. So what you gotta do on that, as you guys know, you have to do this and this. Most of the people are getting confused in this one, so let's quickly learn it. So basically we are going to do the same thing which we did in the start, like 1, 2, but what you have to do over here, you have to keep your right onto your toe down, and your left will be there itself, just turning inside. Alright, so it's like 1, 2. Make sure that your knees are kissing each other. Alright, and then change, left, right, then turn again. Cool. The front leg you have to keep it down, make sure. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, one more time. Make sure that you're keeping your back straight. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So we go, we did why you so tin tin, keep it like more. Then we go, just keep it like obsessed. Alright, and then after that you have to do 1, 2, 3. The lyrics will say obsessed with me, 3 times, right? Boom boom boom. Cool. So it's like from the top we go, why you so obstinate, ha, keep it like more, just keep it like obsessed with me, something kind of that. I hope that is making sense. Just keep the rhythm into your mind, guys, so that the TikTok will become super easy for you. Cool. Now let's quickly go forward with last 2 steps. We did 1, 2, 3. Now we just have to just take your right leg up and keep it over here. It gives the vibe that you're about to fart and you're just taking your leg up and keeping it down. I don't know if you guys relate, but yeah. And then same to the other leg, keep it down. Alright, we gotta do first right, then left. 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you do that, just close your legs. The lyrics will say che. On that we'll be just closing our legs, and then we gotta do woo, woo, ha, ha, woo, woo. Alright, in that woo walk we have to take a little lock while doing it. How to do it, let's quickly understand. So basically we are used to this type of woo way before, but this time we have to do it while sitting it. So what you gotta do, you just gotta take it up, clean the floor and coming this side, and over here you have to just have a lock, ha, ha, and then come again and again, and that's it. Alright, hands will be just rolling it, and in full TikTok we'll be just folding our hands, as you guys know, and then you just have to continue 1, 2, ha, and go, go, and go. That's all, guys. And over here your TikTok dance will be over. I mean, you have learned your TikTok dance. Congratulations. Now let's try it from the start till the end on the slow music, and then we'll be increasing the speed of the music. Let's do it. Come on. Ha. Perfect, guys. I hope that you guys are able to do it. One more time, same speed. Let's do it. Ha. Perfect, guys, you guys are killing, trust me on that. Now let's quickly try to increase little more speed, and let's try. Let's do it, come on. Perfect, guys, and over here your TikTok dance will be over. I'm tired of while sitting and talking. Let me just keep this chair over here. And with that being said, I hope that this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit. If did, just like this video because that will motivate me to make more videos just like this. And now let's try it with the normal music.